Let's see how you can find your Gmail account using just your recovery phone number, whether you are on iPhone or Android. For that, first you have to open up your Gmail app. Now hit to sign in, or if you already have an account, just tap on your profile icon. Now select add another account. Next, choose Google as your account type. Then on the sign in page, go ahead and press forgot email. And from this page, type in your recovery phone number, but make sure to include your country code first. Once that's done, hit next. Now enter your first name and last name just like you used when you created the account. Then hit next again. Google will now say they are sending a code to your number. So go ahead and press send. When you get the code on your phone, type in the box and hit next. Now you will see your Gmail address appear on the screen. Go ahead and select it. After that, it will ask for your password. If you forget your password, just hit forget password, or if you remember it, enter it and press next. And see, you are in. Your Gmail is now signed in on your phone. Isn't it super easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.